on, everybody? This is Limitless NYC. I am Faisal with Limitless NYC. Welcome to my channel. If you don't already know my channel is about just my life journey at the moment. I'm trying to achieve financial freedom, and I'm just kind of recording the journey as it goes, going through the different processes. And my channel is all about saving money, just life hacks, and just showing you different ways to make money, how to save money. So yeah, guys, today I'm going to talk about Rakuten. Now, Rakuten is an app that is they are pretty much affiliate marketing with a lot of other major stores, like online stores and physical in stores. They have a lot of your favorite retailers, such as Macy's. They got Amazon. They got Walmart. They got everything you can think of, man. J.C. Penney. The list could go on and on and on. But the main point is, right now they have a great sign-up bonus where once you spend $100 through the app, you get $40 cash back. And now, why is that so great? Because let's say you were already going to spend $100 on a product, especially with the holiday seasons coming up. I know you guys got to get some gifts for your people, man. You got to get a gift for your girlfriend, your wife, your mama, your daddy, your grandma, your grandpa, your sister, your brother, whatever it may be. I know you guys are going to get some gifts, man. So, and I know you guys are trying to save some money on those gifts. I know you're not trying to spend full price on it. So, once you spend $100 through Rakuten, you get $40. I get $40. Full disclosure, I do get $40. So thank you in advance if you do sign up under my link. You don't have to, because Rakuten is great either way, whether you sign up under my link or you sign up under your own. So Rakuten, now let's say you are deciding to buy a product that is $100, you get $40 cash back. Let's say you want to, after you buy your own $100 product or whatever, as much as you decide to spend, on top of the $40 you're going to get back after you spend $100, you're also going to get cash back from those websites. So, like say for example, a website like Walmart. Walmart may give you 1% on mostly everything, or actually let's go with Amazon, because Amazon is it's a lot broader. So for example, Amazon, it may give you back only 1% on a certain category, but then now if you're shopping in a different category, you might get 10% back on. So it really depends on what you're looking for. But either way, you rather get some cash back than no cash back. That's my way of looking at it. And you're going to go shopping anyways, so why don't you get some cash back for the shopping that you're going to do anyways? So that's why I feel it's a great thing. It's a great app. And let me see if I can pull up my lifetime so I can just show you guys. Oh, also, one of the things that I use it for, hotels.com, amongst many other websites. Maybe even if you're booking a flight, there's websites like Hotwire there, so you can even get cash back for booking a flight, which depending on where you're going could be expensive, and even a little bit cash back on something like that can take you a long way. But let's get to the numbers here. So I've had the account since July 7th, 2017. So about a little over 3 years. But please do take into account that I'm not a huge shopper, and I don't do a lot of online shopping and things. So my numbers can be, definitely significantly different than yours. I know a lot of you guys do a lot of online shopping, but I'm not sure if you can see it over here, but it says 105.32. So for someone that doesn't shop online a lot, that is still a significant amount in my opinion. And Yeah, I think it's definitely a keeper app, and it's something that you're gonna constantly use. Um, you never know, like you never know what you're gonna be shopping for. You never know what kind of opportunities might be on Rakuten. Here, let me just go on Rakuten and I'll look up a couple right now. So right now, Dell has 6% cash back. Groupon has 8% cash back. Finish Line has 6% cash back. Overstock, Nike, Disney. So just for the fact that there are so many different like affiliate links over there, you're gonna find a use for it at one time or another. So please do, if you do decide to go and get Rakuten, please do use my link in the description to sign up so you can help the channel out. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, smash that like button, destroy the like button till it's blue, comment any questions that you may have, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And just in case you guys are wondering, I cut this finger. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Yeah, until next time, Limitless NYC.